sinoauricular node or SA node. It has a unique property of self-excitation, or you can say it is auto-excitable. Why? Because it spontaneously initiates a wave of contraction of the auricles without any external stimuli. That's why it is known as auto-excitable. Secondly, it is also known as pacemaker of the heart. Why it is known as pacemaker of the heart? Because it is responsible for initiating and maintaining the rhythmic contractile activity of the heart. I hope it is clear. So, SA node, it is auto-excitable and it is known as the pacemaker of the heart. Now, the contraction of the auricles, which is caused by the SA node, sinoauricular node. You can see here the arrows. These are the wave of contraction which are initiated by the SA node and are passed into both the ventricles. These wave of contractions, they cannot pass over the ventricle because auricles and ventricles, they are separated from each other by a septum. So this muscular septum is responsible that wave of contraction initiated by the SA node cannot pass directly into the ventricle. That's why we need a second nodal tissue, AV node. So AV node, now the stimulus which is generated by the SA node, it is received by the AV node because AV node, it is present near the SA node. So AV node, it picks up the wave of contraction from the SA node, or you can say impulses it pick up from the SA node. Then this AV node, it generates a fresh wave of contraction that passes over both the ventricles simultaneously along the bundle of His and its branches and further by the Purkinje's fiber. The ventricular contraction, it begins at the apex of the heart and passes quickly in the upward direction. So the contraction of the auricle take place from the base towards the apex, and contraction of ventricle starts from the apex and it passes towards the base. So upward to lower, you can say contraction of the auricle, and lower to upward contraction of the ventricle. So these two nodal tissue, what is their function? SA node, it is known as auto-excitable and pacemaker of the heart because it is responsible for initiating and maintaining the contractile activity of the heart. And AV node, and SA node, it is only responsible for the contraction of the auricles. Now AV node, it is known as pace setter, SETTER, pace setter of the heart because it receives the impulses from the SA node and it causes contraction of the ventricles with the help of bundle of His, its branches and Purkinje's fiber. So AV node, it causes the contraction of the ventricle. Now what do you mean by heartbeat? The spontaneous and rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart to pump out and receive to and from the body. What do we receive? Receive blood to and from the body is called heartbeat. So simply you can say one contraction and one relaxation of the heart is known as heartbeat. And what initiates the heartbeat? Yes, SA node, it initiates the heartbeat. So heartbeat is started by the SA node. So the human heart is also known as myogenic heart. Why it is known as myogenic heart? Myo means muscle, genic means Genic, genic means originating from, which means that the impulses of contraction, it originates from the SA node. What is node? A specialized cardiac muscle fiber, and it is not under the control of the brain. If we remove the heart from the body, then also it can beat for some time. So it shows that heart beating is under the control of the heart muscle itself. It is not under the control of the brain. That's why human heart is known as myogenic heart. And myogenic heart, it is found in phylum mollusk and all vertebrates, fish, reptile, amphibians, aves, mammal, all have myogenic heart, and others like annelids, arthropod, they have neurogenic heart. Neurogenic heart means in which cardiac impulses, they originate from the brain, or you can say which is under the control of the nervous system. But in case of myogenic heart, the cardiac impulse, they originate in the heart itself. And what initiate the cardiac impulses in the heart? That is SA node, sino-auricular node. That's why SA node is known as pacemaker of the heart. Sometimes the SA node may become damaged or defective, so the heart will not be able to function properly, because SA node is pacemaker of the heart. It means the cardiac impulses will not be generated and heart will not be able to function properly. So in this case, artificial pacemaker, I hope all of you have listened about the artificial pacemaker. So in that case, artificial pacemaker is implanted in the chest of the patient by surgery, and the artificial pacemaker, it stimulates the heart at regular interval to maintain its beat. So SA node is responsible for maintaining and initiating heartbeat, and SA node can generate maximum number of impulses about 70 to 75 per minute. So a human heart normally beats 70 to 75 times in a minute, or average we can say 72 beats per minute.